Hey there! See this beautiful rock? Grab your seats because we're about to embark on a quirky adventure through the world of rocks. Rocks are like the Earth's history books, and some of them are as old as your grandma's grandma. We're talking millions of years of stories hidden behind these adorable little boulders. Here's a fun fact for you. Did you know that some rocks are so chill they are formed right now, as we speak, from fiery lava? It's like the Earth's DIY project, and they're everywhere. You can find rocks on mountains, at the beach, in your backyard, and even at your grandma's secret garden. Each rock has its own story to tell. Some were formed deep under the Earth's crust, while others were shaped by wind and water. It's like a geology soap opera. But today, we're here to talk about two super cool things: the sedimentary cycle and the phosphorus cycle. So sit tight and get ready to dive into the world of rocks and nutrients.
I'm your guide, Professor Knows a Lot, and with me today are 8 college students who have majors in the field of rocks and cycles.
Hey everyone, I'm your host Gia Feature and I'm all about sedimentary rocks.
Hi, I'm Dr. Gio Ingeniero and I will be your guide to the phosphorus cycle.
So, let's get down to business. Sedimentary cycle is like nature's recycling program where old rocks break down and they become new ones. It's like the ultimate makeover for rocks.
That's right. Sedimentary rocks are like Earth's layers of history. They form as bits of older rocks, sand, and tiny shells get squished together over millions of years. It's like rock's day.
And speaking of cycles, the phosphorus cycle is all about how phosphorus, an essential nutrient for life, moves through the environment. It's like a global game of hot potato.
Hold on! Isn't phosphorus just for plant growth?
Well, not quite. Phosphorus is essential for all life forms, not just plants. It's like the VIP nutrient of the ecosystem.
And the phosphorus cycle helps make sure it gets passed around to support all living creatures.
Now, how does all of this fit into the bigger picture of the Earth's health and balance?
Great question! It's all about the epigenetics of the sedimentary and phosphorus cycles. These cycles affect everything from the environment to the health of ecosystems and ultimately us.
Exactly. Understanding these cycles is like understanding the Earth's own genetic code, and it's crucial for maintaining a healthy planet.
We've talked about how these cycles affect the environment and how they can shape the epigenetics of organisms. But what are some real-world examples of these effects?
Intriguing question, Mr. Knows a Lot. One example is the way different mineral compositions in sedimentary rocks can affect the plants growing in those soils. The minerals can influence the epigenetic modifications of genes related to nutrient uptake, which in turn impacts plant growth and survival.
Absolutely. And with the phosphorus cycle, we can see epigenetic changes in response to phosphorus availability. In ecosystems where phosphorus is scarce, organisms may undergo epigenetic modifications that enhance their ability to extract and use available phosphorus efficiently. It's a survival strategy etched in their genes.
It's fascinating how nature's processes and cycles shape not just the physical environment, but also the genetic and epigenetic makeup of living organisms.
That's right. The cycles we've discussed today aren't just abstract scientific concepts. They're intricately connected to the health and balance of our planet. And understanding how they interact with epigenetics can help us make informed decisions for the future.
Well, there you have it. The sedimentary and phosphorus cycles are more than just geological and ecological processes. They are essential factors that affect life on Earth at the genetic and epigenetic levels.
And by understanding these interactions, we can better appreciate the delicate dance of life and geology on our beautiful planet.
Absolutely. And now, let's dive into how human activities are influencing these vital cycles. Our impact on the sedimentary and phosphorus cycles is substantial, and it is reshaping the narrative of Earth's geological history. As we've built cities expanded agriculture, and developed industries, we've accelerated the sedimentation process. Massive amounts of sediments are being transported and deposited at rates unseen in natural settings.
This accelerated sedimentation can lead to a host of environmental issues. It can clog waterways, smother aquatic habitats, and disrupt the natural flow of nutrients in aquatic systems.
On the other hand, our agricultural practices have drastically altered the phosphorus cycle. We're applying fertilizers containing phosphorus to boost crop yields, but unfortunately, this excess phosphorus often finds its way into our water bodies.
And that's a big problem. Excessive phosphorus in aquatic environments can lead to harmful algal blooms, which can be toxic to aquatic life and even pose risk to human health.
Urbanization brings another twist. Impervious surfaces like roads and buildings prevent natural water filtration. This leads to increased runoff, carrying sediments and nutrients straight into our river and lakes.
Let's not forget about waste management. This includes everything from heavy metals to industrial chemicals.
The impacts are also felt in our oceans. Overfishing and habitat destruction disrupt natural sedimentary processes on the ocean floor, altering the composition and distribution of sediments.
While our actions have undoubtedly left their mark, it's not all doom and gloom. We have the power to make positive changes, to mitigate our impacts, and to restore the delicate balance.
Sustainable land management and conservation efforts can help reduce sedimentation rates and restore natural processes.
Implementing proper waste disposal practices and pollution control measures is crucial in safeguarding our natural cycles.
And in our oceans, establishing marine protected areas and adopting responsible fishing practices can help preserve the integrity of marine sedimentary process.
By understanding and respecting the intricate dance of rocks, cycles, and human influence, we can work together to ensure a sustainable and vibrant planet for our generations to come. Now, let's delve even deeper into the world of invasive species and how they intertwine with the sedimentary and phosphorus cycles. Invasive plants, often introduced by human activities, can swiftly take over ecosystems. Their rapid growth disrupts natural sedimentation and alters the nutrient balance in soil.
This disruption can lead to changes in sediment characteristics. Invasive plants may have shallower root systems compared to native species, impacting the stability of soil and contributing to increased erosion rates.
And in aquatic environments, invasive species like water hyacinth and Eurasian water milfoil can form dense mats on the surface, blocking sunlight and altering nutrient availability.
This creates a domino effect, disrupting the natural flow of nutrients, including phosphorus, within the water body.
Managing invasive species is no small feat. It requires a multifaceted approach involving biological control, manual removal, and sometimes even chemical treatments.
Restoring habitats impacted by invasive species is a critical step in restoring natural sedimentation patterns and nutrient cycling.
Ongoing research is shedding light on the complex interactions between invasive species, sedimentary processes, and nutrient dynamics. This knowledge is pivotal in developing effective conservation strategies.
It truly takes a village. Scientists, conservationists, local communities, and governments all play a role in combating invasive species and preserving the delicate balance of our ecosystems.
Through these collective efforts, we can begin to witness the resurgence of native flora and fauna and a return to more balanced sedimentary and phosphorus cycles. Remember, the story doesn't end here. It's an ongoing journey, one that requires vigilance and dedication from all of us. By understanding the intricate dance of rocks, cycles, and the impact of invasive species, we hold the power to shape a future where nature thrives in harmony with humanity.
Hey everyone, I'm your host, Gia Feature.
Hi, I'm Dr. Gio Ininier.
For plant growth? That's right. The cycle
question. It's all about the
Hey there! See this beautiful rock?